band. I think they're gonna. I'm gonna let Haley introduce it because she's brand new and it gives them good experience to do so. But please, this is a bunch of new people again on new instruments. Joanna's new on guitar. She's a new singer, and Sierra's new with us too on drums. So please, like, really warm welcome. Keep the noise going. Yay! Let there be rock school rocks. Thank you.
Hi, we're Aim and we're gonna be playing Exes and Elle's. Come, but they never wanna leave. Exes and the oh-oh-ohs, they hold me. Like oh-oh-ohs, they want me to make them oh-oh-oh. They won't let go. Exes and O's. Had a summer loving down in New Orleans. Kept them warm in the winter, left me frozen in the spring of my mind. Go by. I get high and I love to get low, so the hearts keep breaking and the hedges roll. You know, it's how the story goes. 1, 2, 3, they're gonna run back to me, 'cause I'm the best baby that they never got to keep. 1, 2, 3, they're gonna run back to me. They always wanna come, but they never wanna leave.